A passion to do things better. That's Mervin's. Owners Jason and Rosie had a dream. Build the right facility and source the latest technology so technicians had all the tools necessary so they could work without limitations. As an industry, we can never stop seeking improvement, not only in technology, but also in the way we do work. This is truly tomorrow's technology and groundbreaking for the industry. CMAC's fixed line process is innovative, built by engineers and inventors, and Mervin's wants the very best, so it's a great relationship.
It's nice to be in a good environment where you feel settled and you can stay for a longer period of time.
Employees at Mervin's are treated to the Okanagan lifestyle. Endless beaches, world-class ski resorts, vineyards that produce award-winning wines in a safe community, perfect to raise a family. Wages and employee benefits are some of the best in the industry. Mervin seeks out technicians who want to work in a successful, cutting-edge facility and work with some of the best in the industry.
I've never seen any shop that has any sort of capabilities like this place. Just makes your job so much easier and so much faster. It's all streamlined and it's like an assembly line. So it just, yeah, it's really productive for us.
Work in one of the top Autobody facilities in Canada and live in one of the most desirable places in the world. Email us and let's get started.